Go ahead and side part this baby up and add a little bit of wand curls to it and you are good to go, guys. Glueless. So perfect. Everything's ready, set, go with this unit, guys. Shake and go style, same day install. So you really can't beat it, guys. All right, guys, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Wowafrican for sponsoring today's video. So this unit that I'm gonna show you guys today is their new highlighted wavy HD lace 9x6 pre-everything unit, guys. So this one is pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. And as you guys can see, it has these really nice kind of like blonde 27 highlights in it, which I absolutely love. Perfect for the fall season, if you know what I mean. So this unit is 22 inches long, guys. It is 250% density. Like I said, it is a wavy texture. So obviously you guys can see these are nice kind of like curl style ringlets right here. I really like the styling of it. So what I'm gonna do with this unit, guys, since it is a same day install, is I'm gonna just go ahead and do like a side part or maybe leave in the middle part and just style it up. So it's gonna be a very simple install today, guys. You guys can see the cap construction right here comes with the adjuster in the back. So all you're gonna do is go ahead and pull this one to secure the wig on your head. So this unit today is very glueless, very simple, beginner friendly to the T, guys. This is a complete unit. As you guys can see, everything is completed and done to this unit, so you don't have to do anything. But of course, today I'm gonna do a little razzle dazzle because you don't have to do a little razzle dazzle, but it's not gonna take too much of your time, guys. Very simple, straight to the point, guys. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pop this unit off and put this unit on. So you guys can see that the wig is super secure on my head and it's very, very glueless. Like, look at that. I can lift this up and put it right back down and it looks flawless. Like, look at that, guys. This is what you call a complete unit, like a pre-everything unit, like very gorgeous. So I want to show you guys, I'm going to actually do a side part on this one because I love how they did the highlights. The highlights are not chunky, they're kind of peekaboo-y, but you kind of see them all over the place. It's a nice way that they kind of put these highlights. The middle part is gorgeous, but I feel like a side part will kill, so I'm going to do a side part and I'm going to actually style this a little bit. It is wavy, so I'm assuming that if I wet it, it'll be like a little bit looser than this. It's a pretty texture though, very pretty. I actually might just amplify these up. I'm probably just gonna pull it out with my hands a little bit and then we're just gonna use a small curl wand. Let's do that. We're gonna use a curl wand to amplify it. But I think a side part is gonna eat up with this one. So let's try to get ourselves a side, like a nice little curved part like that. I think a curved part would definitely give and have the hair Y'all feeling the vibe already? So I think a side part and like a deep one would probably be better. Maybe kind of get it from right here all the way through, like a nice, there we go, like a nice deep side part like that. Okay, I think we're working with something here. I think we're working with something, and I'm gonna go ahead and just bring that one on a curve. And again, this is a 9x6 cap, so it's a lot of parting space, guys. You're getting a lot of party space with this cap. So I did go ahead and get my hot comb ready. So all I'm gonna do is kind of just define this part right here. I don't wanna take too much away from it being like flat at the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten the front part here on the surface just so I can get like more of like a natural smooth look. And obviously this was a middle part form, so you wanna kind of get that middle part a little disappearo. So that's what I'm trying to do with the middle part right here. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead with my got2b wax spray. I'm not gluing this down, I'm just spraying these areas so I can kind of get the hair to stay the way I want it to, especially in these areas right here, just to keep it, you know, flat and nice. The side part don't gotta be perfect. I know y'all want y'all middle parts and stuff to be perfect. I try all the time to do that, but I feel like it looks more realistic when it's not all the way like together, you feel me? So I don't think I'm doing baby hairs. I wanna just kind of leave it cute and simple. No baby hairs. When it comes to Wowafrican wigs, you don't need baby hairs because like, look at the lace. The lace just eats it up all the time. You don't need any of that. So we're not doing that in today. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I did go ahead and put clips in 2 areas. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I have a clip on both of these sides right here because the hair is already very pretty and I don't want to break the cast on these curls because I love the curls, I love the way they look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this style like this because I feel like this is absolutely stunning the way they did this, and I feel like they did this on purpose so that you can actually put this wig on and style it like this for any type of occasion. I love when companies do that, and Wowafrican is known to give you a pre-styled wig that is you literally could put on and go outside. So if you're looking for a style like this, which I actually needed this, I have somewhere I'm going this weekend, and I feel like this would actually be a really cute style. I'm going out to dinner tomorrow night to celebrate, so I feel like this will be like a really nice unit to wear tomorrow night for dinner. So what I'm gonna do is spray the hair with a little bit of hairspray first. And I do have my curling wand. It's actually really hot. So I'm gonna just do some curls on the pieces that I want to kind of go in a certain way just to look a little bit better. Since the wig is already nice, I want these curls to kind of look nice and clean like that. I kind of pull them a little bit, as you guys can see in the front. It's a little kind of like jagged in the front. So I just want to kind of do like some nice little wand and just kind of like make it, look at that, mix it all in. Boom, see? So we're just gonna add like fresher curls on it just to kind of make it all nice and pretty. So we're not gonna curl the whole thing, it already came curled, but since I turned the part, you're gonna have to do a little cleanup job in certain areas just to make sure that everything looks excellent. So we want it to look real good. All right, y'all, so this is kind of what I came up with. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and curl everything. It kind of gave me a little bit of like of a swoop bang, which I'm absolutely not mad about. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is a great fall style wig, guys. End of summer transition to fall unit. The curls, like I said, it comes like this. So if you're interested in this type of styling ahead of time, it is absolutely gorgeous. I just redefined a couple of the curls in the front. And like I said, you guys can see, look, it did like a little bang situation right here, which I am feeling. I think it looks really cute, and you guys can see I did go ahead and, you know, curl the hair as much as I can to kind of go with these. You kind of just have to blend everything out to make it work, but whatever works for you works for you. I feel like this definitely is eating for me and it's working for me. So let me know what you guys think about this. Right, so I did go ahead and pull the hair out because I want to see what this hair looks like wet, because it does say it's wavy. So I want to kind of see what the texture is. I'm not gonna lie, I actually like the hair once it's straight. This color combination right here in the front is absolutely stunning. So we're gonna, you know, I might consider blowing this one out and doing like a straight style. I think that would be pretty. That would be really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and saturate this, and I'm gonna put some product on it. All right, guys, so I let the hair air dry, and this is how it turned out. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I absolutely love this. Now, I did like it the way it looked before, but I felt like I really need to show you guys what the wavy texture looks like, and the wavy texture is absolutely gorgeous. For me, it's the color. The highlights just do it for me. The way they put these kind of like 27 ash blonde highlights in this unit on this base color is perfect. They didn't overdo this at all. You'll see in the back right here is still a natural color, and they put a little bit more emphasis on the highlights at the top. I feel like it's perfect for this wavy texture. It just goes really well. And of course, this unit is glueless, guys. Very glueless and very secure. I did go ahead and adjust this wig with the strap in the back. And when I tell you guys, this unit is laying very nice and flat on my head. It is perfectly fitted. I kind of kept it simple with this one. If I wanted to do the middle part would have looked nice, but I felt like the side part definitely just eats up a little bit better. I feel like it looks more realistic. Again, if you guys want to do baby hairs on this one, you guys can, but I feel like for the purpose of this video and for the purpose of showing you guys this bomb AF lace, this 9x6, it's just best to keep it nice and clean without the baby hairs. You guys can see that it looks very fresh, very nice, and it just makes it look more realistic. Like, let's be honest, it looks more realistic when there's not too many baby hairs going on, especially with a nice wave pattern like this and these curls. You don't need nothing. The waves and the color is the star of the show, guys, for real. Like, absolutely gorgeous. With the hair, I did go ahead and wet it and put in some 𝐂𝐀 leave-in conditioner in it, and I did use a little bit of mousse at the base. I usually put the mousse at the base to kind of get the curl patterns to still kind of activate at the top. When it comes to wavy hair, sometimes, depending on what company, this company is pretty solid, so I don't really worry about it. With some companies, the roots will be kind of straight. So if you just go ahead and put mousse at the top, let the mousse activate, it'll kind of bring the curls, activate the curls a little bit better. So that's just a trick that I usually do. So I did add mousse at the top and kind of like the inner parts right here. And then all around, I just added some leave-in conditioner. You guys can see the curls are very soft. And again, this is a large density unit, guys. So this is the perfect density, a great transitional wig, guys, from the summer to the fall. This is definitely like a October color, like a holiday color, not like a Halloween color, you know what I mean? Like, just kind of like that highlights, you know what I mean? The ones that get it. And the ones that get it, leave your comments down below. But nonetheless, absolutely love it, guys. Just exactly what I thought. I just knew it was gonna be like, I just freaking knew it, guys. Very pretty, and again, very glueless. Like, look at that, glueless, okay? Glueless. So perfect. Everything's ready, set, go with this unit, guys. Shake and go style, same day install. So you really can't beat it, guys. So I'll go ahead and leave the information down below in regards to this unit, guys, including a coupon code. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.